Thank you.
Thank you.
What's
waiting on your fry. You want ketchup?
No thanks.
Okay. We'll give you a card back. I'll figure that out.
Thank you. Yo. I don't even know which is which. This is s'mores. I don't know, that
This
smells
is
kind of like
peanut
peanut
butter.
butter. I'm usually, if we're getting ice cream, I'm an Oreo guy.
That's yummy.
Now, one of these is a s'mores one and one is a
Puppy chow.
peanut butter puppy chow.
Peanut butter puppy chow.
I could have sworn this one smelled like peanut butter.
I see big pieces of chocolate in here.
Yeah, feel the texture of that. It has like a Chex Mixy type texture.
Oh, I think I see one.
This is s'mores.
I think I like the s'mores more than the puppy chow. So, I feel like we've just been on a different grind.
There's supposed to be brownies in this Oreo one?
It said brookie.
What does that mean?
A brownie cookie. Oreo brookie.
Oh, the vehicle's here. I wonder if they're on the trail. The heck? What?
I didn't know that was what you were gonna say. I'm like, no way.
Which one did you say you like better?
The s'mores. They also have the cotton candy one, which sounds weird. And the chocolate dip strawberry.
I'd have been okay getting that if you ordered it. This thing is deep.
Urge. So what would you rate the Oreo one?
For what it is. Like a 7. For the brownies. Well, what's a brookie? What about you? What about that one?
Probably a 7 too. I couldn't go higher.
If it was cookies and cream, it would be like a 8.5. It's cookies and cream, you know what I'm saying?
So what about the s'mores?
I got more like an 8.5. Like an 8.5.
I was gonna say no.
8.2. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I like s'mores. I guess it sucks because we didn't eat them immediately. What's the last one? What was that last one called? Pajao. Peanut butter pajao. And none of them were bad.
I'm gonna say 7. 7.5.
I wish I would have had it fresh so I wouldn't feel bad about judging it at all. I low-key want to put the s'mores one on top. That's s'mores. You can definitely taste the graham cracker. Oh man, what about the marshmallow? Where's that at? He was at the pool with those fries on his lap. Oh, she's eating the fries out of her lap. That just the wind blew them on her. Damn, Go ahead. Show me what you got. She took off. Oh, whoa, yo, don't hurt yourself. Whoa! What in the Jiminy crap, Manette? My turn. Oh shit, never mind. She took off again. What the heck? You dingle. Alright, go ahead. Show us some pull up.
Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm. Are you going?
Yeah.
No way.
Oh my god, I can't.
No way you tried.
I did, I promise.
Alright, let yourself go.
Damn.
You don't gotta try so hard to let yourself down. Alright. Oh, now, what we seeing?
I did.
Alright, somebody get a count for me. No, I said a count. Means you count.
I was trying to account for you. One.
Alright.
Especially after a big belly, you cannot lift yourself.
That was good. That was a good one. I do not have a big belly for what we just ate.
Man.
Just you definitely.
No idea.
I like ice cream.
Swear.
Back on this YouTube grind. Yo, catch us on Twitch too. We've been on a Twitch grind for the past couple of months. Kind of the reason we haven't been uploading on YouTube as much. Get at us on both of those, man. Twitch.tv/, what is it, d.onaldstreeter, right?
Yeah.
You know. And if this is your first time watching, like the video, subscribe here.
Check out our other videos.
For real.